Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now, in previous tutorials we showed you how to create drawings and how to use some of the features that might be useful. So today we'll continue with that. So let's just open our part 1 exercise, SolidWorks drawing. Click OK, and let's just add another hole on this part. Let's just first delete this view because we don't need it actually, and let's just go here and right click and open part. Now if I go to my features and choose my hole wizard, we'll be able to add one hole that we will position to go straight through this surface. Eventually. Okay, so we have our holes. Let's use this threaded hole and let's choose, let's say, show customs. Okay, so let's just say this one is 1/4 in diameter, and let's just see the size of it. Can we add one? Okay, we can. So let's just make it 2 inches deep and our thread 2 inches as well. Now let's just position this here somewhere so it goes all the way through this surface. Click OK, and now let's just position it. Let's just say this, and this should be along Y. Okay, great. And now, oh no, we don't want that. Let's just now delete this along Y. Now let's just move it a bit there, and let's say this dimension here is, no, it's okay, it's 7.5, let's say. Okay, now we have it, and click OK. Now let's just save our part, and we will see that hole here. Let's just include these, and now we have our hole there. Okay, now when we want to add dimensions, you know that in engineering everything has to have some tolerances that you can use, so like geometric tolerance, and when you want to add dimension you can do it either from the sketch tab or from annotation tab. So you just simply click here and you click on the view and click OK. Now on the left side there are several things that you can change. For example, you can change the number of numbers behind that point, behind the comma, or you can add tolerance in here. So there are many types of tolerance, so we can click on basic and you see what happens. Now if you don't know the meaning of all these, you can simply go to help in SolidWorks and there are explanations for all of these. So this one is basic, and if we simply change this to bilateral, then we need to specify this dimension in here. So let's just say, okay, wait, let me first change document properties to ANSI. Click OK. Oh, and units 2 inches. Now it's fine. So we click on this and we can add, let's say 0.05, 0.02. Is that fine? Okay. Now the other thing we can do is create these. For example, let's say this dimension here, and we can add also limit. So basically these are just different ways of showing these tolerances. So you can see how bilateral is presented in here and how does the limit work. So on this example we can see that we simply add these to our nominal value and we get these dimensions. Also, if we let's say use symmetric, we can just specify, let's say 0.02, and we have it plus and minus 0.02. So this is a really useful link on SolidWorks help that you can find this example. You can also specify the maximum value or the minimum value that you want. For example, if you have a shaft that goes through this hole, you can specify minimum value of the hole, so you can put it inside nicely, or you can either put maximum size. It's up to you. Now another way to add tolerances is, let's just save this. Yes,